yo fam, I'm Yowawerts and welcome back to another video. For today's invention, I'll be showing you how I made this really cool Gumball vending machine. And just like all my other vending machines, this craft also will not work if you don't insert any coin in it. It's thief-proof, as how I call it, because it can't shake anything up from it. See? Still no gumballs, and even if you push and pull the button countless of times, still no gumball. So here are 1 peso coins. These are Philippine coins. I don't know if you can see it, but it has our national hero's face in it. And again, pushing and pulling the button will not give you any candy, but inserting a 1 peso coin in the slot like that, and then pushing the button and then pulling it out, boom, you get your gumball. So that's really cool. These aren't real and edible gumballs though. These are marbles because I don't have any gumballs with me and I can't go to the department store to buy any candy. But anyways, if you want to make your own candy machine just like mine, you can continue watching this video for the tutorial. And also, I'm providing a free template for this machine, so it'll be easier for you to make it. So without any further ado, here's the video on how I made this awesome cardboard creation.
But I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me of the thing going to do? Going to do? Where's the life I? Where's my shot? Who is this called living? I don't know, I don't know. Where's the life I? This called living. I don't know, I don't know. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I left behind me. Behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my shot? diving deeper, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live myself behind me. Just live myself. Just live myself behind me. Look behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. I don't wanna grow.
So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial, and if you're going to make your own version of this machine, comment down below the link of your video or your photo of that machine, and I'm going to check that out. And if you want me to, I'll be more than happy to give it a shout out in this channel. Anyways, I'd also like to give a shout out to Aya Midel for her amazing cardboard creation right there. Very well done, candy dispenser. Good job. So I think that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.